Hi guys, Jennifer here. Welcome back to my channel. I am outside today. It is so gorgeous and the sun is starting to set, so I just have a little bit of daylight left, but I wanted to share this beautiful, gorgeous kit from Sheila over at Bohodaydreams. This is so pretty. It is the winter white, and isn't it just beautiful? This is the Grandma's attic, I think. Oh, so let's just dive in. Don't mind my hands. I've been tea dyeing some stuff today. I had to make some bulk tea dyed papers. But anyway, look how gorgeous. This is our beautiful silk wrap. It's just very heavenly. I just love it. It's so pretty. Okay, look at these gorgeous beads. Her beads are so pretty. I especially love these. I like the bumps too. So pretty. And oh my goodness, look at this gorgeous medallion. She's been creating these on her channel, and it's been so fun to watch. Whoops, there you go. I better hurry because the sun is going down quick. Look how gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And then I have some lace here, some vintage lace. So pretty. And oh, look how tiny. So this is the tiniest velvet. How cute. And this pretty velvet. It's got like a wintry white feel to it. So pretty. Oh my goodness. And this gorgeous lace. Look at this. Look at that. All that texture. So pretty. And we are close to the airport as well, if you hear some planes. Anyway, look at this gorgeous velvet. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my goodness. And then, oh, look at this. I don't have any of this fabric. That's really pretty. I'm not sure if I would use it with this or not. I have to decide when I make it, you know? Sometimes you just can't decide. I do love it, but I love it without it. Just because I'm not sure if I will introduce blue, but we will see. Oh my goodness. So here is this gorgeous tulle, and it feels very vintage for sure. I don't know if it is, but very cool. And then, oh my goodness, look at these gorgeous trims. Don't mind, I've been gluing and doing lots of different things, and I got glue all over my hands. So, oh wow, look at that. Oh, that is very cool. And look at this one. It's almost got like a bronzy type effect. And oh, this is beautiful. Look at that embroidered ribbon. That's so pretty. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Love the sequins. Oh, and the pearls, look at this. That is so lovely. And so is this. This has the sequins in there. You see them sparkling? And then some seam binding. I love putting seam binding. All those things are so fun to use. Oh my goodness. She put all these papers in here. Don't mind, I'm outside and I didn't clean off this table. That's why I have it on the tissue paper still. Look at this, some fun tea-dyed papers. I love to see people's striations of the papers because they always turn out so different, you know? And you're just like, well, that is so cool looking. Wish I could do that, right? It's like everybody's technique is kind of a little bit different. Wow, thank you so much for all those fun, beautiful tea-dye papers. And then, oh, this must be for a journal. Feels like Pellin or something like that. I'm not sure if it's sticky or not. And then, what is that? Like heat and bond? It kind of looks like it. Yeah. I think that's the way to go when you're dealing with fabrics. I don't know. I just picked up this whole roll of heat and bond, and I used to use it as a like when I was first starting out and I would make my own curtains. I'd use the heat and bond for the seams because I didn't have a sewing machine at the time. Cool. So that would be a very nice size little journal. It'd be so cute. Her little grandma's journal. So I imagine this will go over that. Oh, cool. Look at the different colors in there. So cool. The feels are just everything with the with the velvet. I really like it. Okay, so this is, okay, Grandma's keepsake journal. Grandma chic. So, soft body, spines. Oh, steam a seam. It must be the same as heat and bond. For front and inside cover, front fabric, inside fabric. So, could be used for layering. Okay, some of the very old papers. I can't wait to see that. Oh, yummy. Oh my gosh. They really took their time. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Let me show you the bottom of that. And that handwriting so pretty. And then she's got some, oh, some letters. Cool, I love those. Very cool. 1911. And then, oh, look at this. That like tracing paper, that is so fun. Little bug. Oh, that's cool. It's like a coffee dyed type of paper. And look at these gorgeous oh my goodness. That is so gorgeous. OMG. Look at that paper. Oh my gosh, how did you part with this? Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is like super fine. Like onion skin or something, I think. Oh my gosh, that is so amazing. Look at that one. Look at the little stains everywhere. Oh my goodness. That handwriting. Wow. Oh, look at these. Oh my goodness. I love the color of this. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, they did it in pencil here. Wow. That is wild. Okay, I just love to look at that. Oh my gosh, this amazes me. Look at this wallpaper. Oh my goodness. Oh, that reminds me of spring. Yes, it's very nice here. Oh my goodness. in Florida. Oh my goodness. I am bumping that. Look how gorgeous. Oh my goodness. These are so beautiful. Thank you so much, Sheila. This is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful. I can't wait to play with this. All right, guys. Thanks so much for stopping by. And if you're interested in one of these, you'll have to message Sheila. I'll leave her link below. But anyway, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.